All right. Hi, everyone.
Ma,
Yes. Yes,
may
anything.
parcel ka.
Really? What's that?
Pwede?
Oh? Tignan natin ano to. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, so today may nakaplano na content or topic natin. Pero tawag nito, na-divert lang because meron tayong natanggap na credit card from Union Bank at ito ngayon ang ating itatakal. Alright, so in the past, I've been wanting to have a credit card from the Union Bank. Pero there was no chance. Kaya lang, ngayon, I was surprised because yung application ko that I passed, I think 2 weeks ago, was already granted. Kaya eto, na-receive ko yung credit card ng Union Bank. So let us see kung anong klaseng credit card ito. At saka yung pinaka-exciting na part, magkano ang credit limit, magkano ang percentage or how much is the cash advance that you can avail. So yun yung mga titignan natin. And eto ba yung credit card na may annual fee? Ano ang benefits dito? And what are the features? So first of all, bubuksan natin ang envelope na to or ang parcel na to at titignan natin kung anong klaseng credit card ang nabigay sa akin. Join me! Alright, so ang courier nito is Ninja Van. Ninja Van. Okay, so this is the parcel. So bubuksan na natin at titignan natin kung anong klaseng credit card ang pinadala sa akin ni Union Bank. Although, meron naman na ako talagang pinili na credit card na gusto ko. Pero sometimes kasi kung ano yung in-applyan mo, kung minsan hindi yun yung binibigyan ni ni Union Bank. Pero kung ano yung pinili ko, dapat yun talaga yung nandito. Okay, so this is how the envelope looks like. Napakaganda naman niya. Gray-black. Tapos meron siyang stripes na ganyan. This is gold. Okay, bronze pa nga ata. And so, let us now open the envelope. I am very excited and let us see kung ano ang nandito sa envelope. Alright, so this is yung fine prints na tinatawag. Okay, dito sa fine prints, dito natin mababasa kung ano yung mga instructions, benefits, and kung ano yung mga pwede nating i-avail, paano natin i-activate ang credit card. Nandito lahat yung mga yun. Yung mga basic information that we need to learn from our credit card, nandito na. Okay, so as I open, meron akong na-receive na ganito. Ano to? Experience unbelievable benefits that only Union Bank can give. Okay, so meron siyang ganito, parang cheque. Pero hindi naman. Okay? Anong nakalagay? Unbelievable dining offers, okay? Enjoy exclusive offers at your favorite restaurants. Unbelievable travel deals. Discover the world with our special travel deals. And unbelievable shopping perks. Shop for your favorite brands at retail and online stores and enjoy Pay Easy 0% installment. Wow! Toy Pay Easy 0 installment. Inulit ko lang kasi I wanna give emphasis dun sa sinabing pay easy. And another fine print, eto yon. Okay, sabi, use your new card and get up to 100,000 cash credits plus get a free Krispy Kreme treat. Okay, so pwede natin i-avail yung Krispy Kreme treat. Ano kaya yon? 1 piece or 1 box? Tingnan na lang natin. Okay, everyone's a winner. Get a Krispy Kreme, coffee, and donut when you make an in-store transaction with your new card. And now, eto na, dito nakalagay yung ating credit card. Excited ako, alright? Before that, before I open it, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na instructions how to activate your credit card. So, nakalagay lahat ng mga basic information na kailangan nating malaman, especially in activating our credit card. So, doon sa mga newbies, hanapin lamang yung mga instructions, very important instructions within the fine prints na nanggaling sa loob ng envelope na pinadala ni Union Bank. Lahat yon nandun. So, kung minsan kasi hindi natin pinapansin yung mga fine prints na ganito, yung mga ganito. But then again, napaka-importante pala lahat ng mga binigay ni Union Bank na fine prints sa loob ng envelope are all significant. Next, as we open it, yan, nandito na yung, wow, this is the credit card from the Union Bank. Yan, ang ganda naman. Nakikita nyo ba? Oh, it's glowing in the dark. Okay, silver yan, pero may ilaw-ilaw na ganyan. Okay, so this is the Union Bank U credit card. With no worries, you experience more. Ayun ang nakalagay sa fine print ng credit card. Alright, and then sa likod nito, if we lift this up, ganon, yun. Siyempre, hindi ko napapakita yon kasi dito nakasulat naman yung credit limit, which is amounting to, and cash advance limit amounting to, statement date, 20th of every month. So, nakalagay lahat dito yung kailangan nating malaman. Especially, the statement date. Anong ibig sabihin ng statement date? Yung statement date, yan yung cut-off at yan yung date kung saan ipapadala ni bangko yung statement of account mo. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga purchases mo after the statement date, hindi na siya mahahalo dito sa babayaran mo this month, kundi mako-consider na siya sa susunod na statement of account or sa susunod mong SOA, apparently the following month. Kaya, yon ang importante nating malaman. Kasi marami nagtatanong sa akin, tinatanong, Ma'am, natanggap ko na po yung SOA ko, pero nagamit ko po yung credit card yesterday. Masasali po ba yon? Kasi medyo malaki yung nagamit ko from my credit limit. So, tandaan natin na kapag 20th of every month, halimbawa, eto, nakalagay 20th of every month, yung release o yung statement date, ibig sabihin, from that date onwards, kung ano man yung i-purchase natin, hindi na siya kasali sa babayaran natin kasi nga, na-release na yung SOA. So, yung mga purchases mo after the statement date, masasali na siya sa susunod mong SOA, apparently, the following month. Okay? Okay, so let me peel this off. Wow. Ang crispy niya, no? Ang maganda dito, ganda niya. And I'm glad that it's MasterCard. Kasi colored si MasterCard, orange and red. Si Visa kasi, I find it boring. Kasi nga, di ba si Visa, parang ano lang, light gray lang. Yung pagka-print ng Visa, yan. White yata, white. Hindi siya gray. Basta yun na yun, light color. Ito kasi, napaka-colorful kasi orange and red ang representation ng logo ng MasterCard. That's why, kapag yung credit card and MasterCard, tuwang-tuwa naman ako. And I'm glad na binigyan ako ni Union Bank ng MasterCard. The You Experience More credit card from Union Bank. So, eto siya. Ay, bakit hindi na siya kumikintab? Ay, meron pa rin. Wala na. Oh, bakit kanina kumikintab? Bakit ngayon wala na? Ayun, meron. Okay, so ang maganda pa dito sa physical card is that dito sa harap, hindi nakalagay ang card number. So, apparently, ang card number at saka yung kanyang CVC or CVV nakalagay sa likod. So, parang safer ng konti kasi once you handed over this credit card to the cashier kung saan ka nag-purchase ng anything, okay? Pag hinand-in mo siya sa kahera, wala dito sa harap yung card number tsaka CVV. So, kumbaga, hindi makikita ng ibang tao. Not unless na baliktarin mo siya. Pero syempre, hindi mo naman siya babaliktarin. Pag ibibigay mo, ganito na lang. Yan. So, yun ang maganda dito. Safe na safe yung frontage or yung front ng credit card kasi walang card number and walang CVV or CVC na nakasulat dito sa harap. I love it. It's dancing queen. It's dancing light. I love the credit card. Parang gray siya pero dark na gray. Yan. Combined with silver lining. Yung U kasi is silver talaga with the match of the MasterCard logo dito sa kanyang left side. Okay? And then yung Union Bank dito sa harap. Wow. Wala na yung kintab. Yung meron. Nakakatawa naman. Okay, naglalaro na tayo dito. Next, I'm going to discuss with you ano yung features or benefits ng credit card na to. So, you listen carefully. Kasi dito, aalamin natin, eto ba ay yung credit card na merong annual fee? Malalaman natin yan ngayon dito sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, so before we move on, I'd like to mention na yung ating Union Bank U credit card ay may Visa at saka may MasterCard. Pero yung MasterCard, dalawa ang kulay. Meron tayong white and then yung gray na binigay sa akin. Ang gaganda ng mga kulay nila. Okay, after receiving credit cards na walang annual fee, walang late fees, walang cash advance fees. Meron naman akong mga credit cards na may annual fee, may cash advance fee, may late payment fee. Sabi ko, okay na yung meron akong dalawa na credit card na walang annual fee, walang mga fee. Like the PNB Zelle MasterCard and the City Simplicity, which I was issued with. Sabi ko, magaganda yung credit card na yon. Magaganda rin naman yung mga may annual fees. So usually, yung mga credit card na may annual fees, sila yung may mga perks, rewards, and points na pwede nating i-redeem, okay, or i-convert into cash, pambayad sa credit card bills, or kung hindi naman, pwede nating i-redeem, maging gift certificates. Yun kasi yung mga perks, points, and rewards na binibigay ng mga credit cards natin. But then again, nagulat ako kasi ang binigay ni Union Bank sa akin is a credit card na walang annual fee. Alam niyo ba, I am so glad because this credit card really has no annual fee for life. Yung totoong walang annual fee for life. Both the principal card and the supplementary card. Ito yung credit card na walang annual fee na hindi na kailangan i-meet mo yung requirement like you have to spend 10,000 or 20,000 within 60 days in order for you to avail the no annual fee for life o kaya naman nagbibigay ng no annual fee for the first year lang.